caregiver applications processing and expected updates. So while ang detailed guidelines are for the application ngayong bubuksan na caregiver ngayong March 31, 2025 are yet to be announced. So bago yan mag 31, i-announce na yan ng Immigration, Refugees, Citizenship Canada from IRCC. So i-announce na in the near future bago mag 31. So here's what the prospective applicants na dapat gagawin na ngayon to prepare based sa mga programs na dumaan and based sa programs na bubuksan. So ang una, make sure nga ang documents niyo are in order na, ready to send na. And then included na doon ang experience mo, ang documents mo from your related experience to caregiving, yung job offer mo from a Canadian employer or a private sector here sa home care in Canada, and then ang tawag nito, educational equivalency and yung language proficiency mo. So, yun yung dapat ang documents mo, included yung 4 na major requirements mo, dapat in order na para ready ka na mag-send paglabas ng guidelines. And then, pangalawa, monitor updates from IRCC for the official lands of the application, portals, and additional criteria na nandoon. Paglabas ng guidelines, dapat mag-monitor ka sa website para anytime ready ka pag officially open na makasend ka kaagad. Kasi as far as I remember guys, yung mga previous, yung batch ko na program sa childcare, ang bilis-bilis mapuno. The last time yung batch 2024, the program will not open, the program will not close. Kaya, di ba meron silang 5-year na program gaya nung sa HCCP, that was 5 years. Matagal siya matagal kasi 5 years, di ba? But there's annual limit, annual quota. So dapat maging ready ka, maging handa ka para masali ka sa quota for the childcare and quota for the elderly. So pag bukas makasend ka agad. And number 3, stay vigilant sa mga against misinformation and fraud related to caregiver immigration pathways. Mag-ingat po sa yung mga scammer, mga nagpapanggap na ako magpaprocess sa'yo. Dapat ikaw mismo may alam anong dapat gawin, kailan isi-send, anong kailangan mong documents, hindi yung dapat legal ang documents mo, hindi sa kung saan-saan kinuha dahil magsasayang ka ng oras at panahon. And then yun, be vigilant po sa yung application dahil ang pera mo ang nakasalalay dito, hindi yung pati effort at panahon. So matagal mong ginather ang requirements mo and then mapupunta sa wala. So, it's going to be a waste of money and it's a waste of time. So, dapat po be prepared na. All your documents are intact and in order. So, for you to be prepared na para sa submission sa pagbukas, sa pag-ready sa pagbukas ng program this March 31, 2025. And again po, congratulations in advance.